I have been looking for a way to haul my bikes. I've looked at everything, swing out, flop down, flip, flop. They all weigh a ton, especially the swing out ones. It was heavy just to carry, much less add to the weight of your bumper, plus your bikes. I just felt like it was too much to ask of the bumper on these things. So after a long search, I found this. This little box here holds everything I need to hang 2 bikes from the back of my van. And we're going to take a look at that right now. This is one. Two. Okay, here I've mounted this piece on, which is where your front wheel goes. And there you go. It's mounted on there. Let's see how this thing works. Okay.
Not hard. Not hard.
It's pretty good. It's so much lighter. And of course I have to perfect hanging it. I have only done it just this one time, but we're going to try 2 bikes here now.
There. There.
All right.
Oh, that means that.
All right, this is what it looks like all done. I added a little strap back here just to keep these things from bouncing around. It's super solid. And it's just getting them up to that final point is a little tricky. I think just about every bike rack has some kind of little idiosyncrasy that you got to work around. But so far I'm going to try this and I'll keep you posted.